Hi, I'm Arthur Johansson, or AJ for short, and I love to read and I love to teach people how to read. And I'm using this series from Songbirds Phonics. This is written by the one and only Julia Donaldson, right here. And this particular book is in set 1 or level 1. This is book 3, and this has a few simple short vowel sounds. So A is A, O is A, I is I, and U is And then we've got some simple consonant, one-letter consonant sounds. So let's begin. Look at this guy. Look at this little bug. Look at him. And he's kicking a soccer ball. This looks like a fun little bug. He's got the number 10 on his shirt. He must be good. Who else wears the number 10 on his shirt? I bet you know some football players who wear that number. B, A, B, B, A, B, Bob, B, A, G, B, A, G, bug. Bob, Bug. This is Bob Bug. First name Bob, last name Bug. Let's see what Bob Bug's gonna do. Oh, looks like he's just in his room. And he's got a little bed here, or a crib, we could call it. And what's this? He's playing with a little bus. Looks like a little double-decker bus. That's a cool toy. Let's read it. B, A, B, B, A, B, Bob. Is. A, remember this letter all by itself is a word, and we just say A. B, A, G, B, A, G, bug. Bob is a bug. Yes, he is. A cute little bug. He's got his little antenna right here. Next page. Oh, who's this? Helping Bob put his shirt on. Bob's getting dressed for the day. B, A, B, B, A, B, Bob. B, A, G, B, A, G, bug. H, H, ass. H, ass. Has. A, M, A, M, M, A, M, mum. H, is, his. M, A, M, mum. Is, B, I, G, B, I, G, big, big. Bob Bug has a mum. His mum is big. Well, of course, she's much bigger than him. The mum is big. The little Bob Bug is small. The little boy bug. Look at his shirt. He's got a cool little shirt. Maybe that's a bat or something, or a bird. Okay, let's see. Ooh, who's this? Outside in the grass with a football goal or soccer goal. Spinning. That ball is spinning on his finger. He bet he knows how to play. Let's read it. B, A, B, B, Ob, Bob. H, ass, has. A, D, A, D, D, ad, dad. Bob has a dad. H, is, his. D, A, D, D, ad, dad. Is, f, it, fit. His dad is fit. Bob has a dad, and his dad is fit. Yes, his dad knows how to play football or maybe other sports too. He looks like he's in good shape. He's fit. Next page. Now they're sitting at the table and they each have a cup. Looks like something to drink. Okay. Bob has a cup. Bob has a cup. It has a lid. It has a lid. See, this cup has a lid. Yeah, so it doesn't spill when he tips it over. Looks like Bob's kind of little. Little Bob Bug. He's so cute. What is going on here? From his cup, it says sip, 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 sip. He's sipping his cup. I wonder what's inside. Maybe juice, apple juice. Next page. Oh, look, the moon's out. You can see out the window. That's the moon and the stars. And looks like he's getting ready to sleep. Okay. Bob has a cot. Bob has a cot. This is his cot. He's sleeping in it. Is his cot. Has a rug. His cot has a rug. Oh, Mom's putting the rug on top of Bob. So I guess he can sleep and be warm. That's cute because now Bob will be as snug as a bug in a rug. That's a phrase that we say often. And then looks like Dad's gonna turn the light out. Okay, next page. Uh-oh. What is that? Yikes. What's in the windowsill? Look at that. And Bob Bug is scared. He sees something there on the windowsill and he's calling out and his eyes are really big. He says, Mom. Dad. Big. Bad. Rat. Mom, Dad, a big bad rat. Yikes. It's a big bad rat in his bedroom. And he's scared it's going to come and get him and maybe bite him. Yikes, that's scary. Next page. Oh. Look, they turn on the light. Oh. Whew. That's not a rat. Look at, that's just some of the stuff on the windowsill, like a pitcher of water and a cloth. Whew. Mom and Dad come in. It says, Bob, bug, has a hug. Bob Bug has a hug. Aw. They give him a big hug and say, it's okay, don't worry. It's not a rat. Yeah, look at that. That's not a rat. Let's go back because here it looks like a rat when the lights are out and it's dark. But here you can even see on the windowsill That's not a rat. That's just some of the stuff they put there at night, like the water pitcher and the cloth. His bib or something. Sometimes you see things in the night and it looks scary. Maybe you think there's something in your closet, under the bed. Yikes. Don't worry. Just turn on the light and it's okay. That's the end.